Out here, at the very edge of the known world, the sun's warmth fades to a faint whisper, and the vast darkness of space stretches onward. Beyond the familiar orbit of Neptune, where the light of our star is but a distant glow, lies a frontier that has remained hidden, elusive, and mysterious for millennia. This is the farthest reach of our solar system, a place where the temperature plummets, where the familiar patterns of space break down into the unknown, and where secrets from the very dawn of the solar system remain frozen in time. This is the edge of our cosmic neighborhood, a place where we find remnants of the ancient solar system frozen in their orbits. Out here, the familiar planets, like Jupiter and Saturn, seem distant, almost like faint memories of an earlier time. The far reaches of this realm are a different world altogether. The Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies and dwarf planets, stretches beyond Neptune. Its secrets have long eluded our grasp, leaving us to wonder. What lies beyond the icy veil? What worlds have remained untouched by the heat of the sun, preserving their ancient chemistry, their primordial stories? Could the frozen ice of the Kuiper Belt reveal to us the origins of our very solar system? The Kuiper Belt, an ancient graveyard of icy bodies, holds its mysteries just beyond the reach of our telescopes and spacecraft. Here, objects drift silently in the cold, each one a time capsule. These frozen worlds, comets, asteroids, and dwarf planets, hold the keys to understanding the birth of our solar system. Among them, Pluto stands out. Once considered the ninth planet, now reclassified as a dwarf planet, Pluto remains a symbol of the mystery and wonder that lies at the edge of our solar system. Its icy plains, towering mountains, and frozen heart are a record of a time long past. A time when the planets were young and chaotic, when icy bodies collided, and the building blocks of life were scattered across the cosmos. And then, in 2015, humanity reached a momentous milestone. The New Horizons spacecraft, traveling for nearly a decade, finally reached Pluto, providing humanity with its first close-up view of this enigmatic world. What it revealed was nothing short of extraordinary. Vast icy plains, towering mountain ranges, and a heart-shaped glacier that sparkled with a glow as if it held secrets just waiting to be discovered. New Horizons didn't just photograph Pluto, it brought the distant world to life. But Pluto is only the beginning. Beyond it lies a whole host of icy worlds, each one waiting to tell its own story. But what if the real mystery lies further still? Beyond the icy reaches of the Kuiper Belt, past the remnants of ancient worlds, lies a vast, uncharted region known only by its gravitational influence. The Oort cloud, a spherical shell that surrounds our solar system, and yet its exact location remains elusive. Here, at the edge of the solar system, far beyond Pluto and Neptune, the sun's warmth is barely a whisper. Its light so faint it is nothing more than a distant memory. In this shadowy expanse, millions, perhaps billions, of icy bodies drift in isolation, far from the reach of any spacecraft, their trajectories influenced only by the faint tug of the sun's gravity. The Oort cloud, named after the astronomer Jan Oort who first proposed its existence in 1950, remains largely theoretical. It's an enigma of our solar system, a place where the boundaries of our solar influence dissolve into the cold of interstellar space. Yet, despite its elusiveness, it is thought to be the birthplace of long-period comets, the icy wanderers that streak across the night sky, their tails glowing brightly as they approach the sun. But the Oort cloud holds far more than comets. Some scientists believe that within this icy expanse, there are objects older than the planets themselves, relics from the solar system's birth, preserved in isolation. These objects could hold answers to some of the most profound questions about the origins of our solar system and even life itself. To understand the Oort cloud, we must look to indirect evidence. Comets that visit the inner solar system, their trajectories hinting at an origin far beyond our reach. But even this is not enough to fully unveil the mysteries of the Oort cloud. We need technology, time, and dedication. Telescopes, computational models, and the study of cosmic bodies that have ventured from the Oort cloud are just the beginning. One day, we may be able to send a spacecraft that can travel far beyond Pluto, past Neptune, and into the outermost regions of our solar system. Only then will we be able to directly observe these frozen remnants of the solar system's birth and unlock the secrets they hold. Imagine the day when humanity embarks on such a mission, when a spacecraft, built with the ingenuity and perseverance that has carried us to the Moon, Mars, and Pluto, reaches the Oort cloud. It would be a journey unlike any other. A journey into the deep, dark heart of the solar system, where light from the sun is nothing more than a faint glow, and the vastness of space stretches outward in all directions. As the spacecraft approaches, the objects of the Oort cloud, once invisible, unknown, would be revealed for the first time, their icy surfaces glittering in the faint light of the sun. Exploring the Oort cloud would answer fundamental questions about the formation of the solar system. These objects are relics, fossils, that have remained untouched for billions of years. If we can study them, we can learn not just about the solar system, but about the processes that govern all planetary systems. We could unlock clues about the earliest stages of the solar system, and even about the conditions necessary for life to arise. In the vastness of space, we stand as tiny observers, peering into the darkness, longing to understand our place in the cosmos. The solar system's edge represents the boundary of our knowledge. It is the frontier, the point beyond which our understanding of the universe begins to dissolve into the unknown. Yet, it is also the final frontier of discovery in our own backyard, a place that beckons to us with untold secrets. The edge of our solar system is a realm of untapped potential, and the deeper we venture into it, the more we will learn about the origins of our solar system and about the very nature of the universe itself. From the icy remnants of the Kuiper Belt to the shadowy regions of the Oort cloud, our solar system's edge holds the promise of discovery. It is a place where the history of our cosmic home is preserved, untouched by time and the forces of the sun. The journey to the outer reaches of our solar system may take years, even decades, but it is a journey that we must take. Because at the edge of the solar system, beyond the familiar, lies a deeper understanding of the forces that shape our world, our galaxy, and perhaps the very beginning of life itself. Unraveling the mysteries of the solar system's edge is not just an exploration of space. It is an exploration of time itself, a journey into the past where the secrets of the solar system wait to be uncovered. And as we move further into the darkness, we draw closer to understanding the forces that bind us all, the story that connects us to the stars.